Excuse you. If you're gonna be sitting there, you can't be sneezing.
Oh shit, yeah, you're right.
Rude. Welcome to my channel. My name's Angela. I'm a regulatory compliance pharmacist in Boston, and I don't really know what I'm doing with my life, but I think we'll figure that out together. But today is exciting because the espresso machine me and my husband ordered came in, and we're going to be unboxing it today. Ooh. So I live here in Boston with my husband, and both of us drink coffee. We're not coffee snobs, but we both do drink coffee every morning. And back when we were in college, we used to always buy Starbucks, and we really liked caramel macchiatos, the seasonal, peppermint mochas. And nowadays we're trying to be more financially responsible and find options for us to make at home rather than spending our money on Starbucks every day. So in the past, we have tried French presses. Let me go grab. We have tried French presses. This is maybe like the third one we've bought, and honestly, we've just never had any luck with it. We've tried to follow tutorials by coffee gurus like James Hoffman, and have always just ended up with silt on the bottom that was really gross and nasty. So for the past year or so, we have resigned to drinking instant coffee, which isn't bad, but I think we're ready for an upgrade. So this machine, okay, cat beanie. This machine is the Breville, you know what it's called?
The Barista Pro.
The Barista Pro, okay.
Okay, so there are, there's two versions with the hopper. So there's a $600 Barista, I think it's called the Express. And then there's the Barista Pro. And they're very similar. But the Barista Pro has a faster water, like the water jet. And I think people said the grinder was a little bit better. So you said, so it was mainly because we wanted a hopper to grind, like an all-in-one piece. And the difference in the 600, 7, the 700 seems just a little bit better than the 600 one. So you went for it. So. Okay.
So this was $100 off though, right?
It was $100 off.
So originally $800, and we paid $700?
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah, so we paid $700 for this thing, and I guess if you look at the cost benefit of this in the long run and how long this will take to pay off, if assuming both Alec and I get a Starbucks Grande Macchiato every morning, which is, we're estimating around $5, this thing will pay off in 70 days, so just over 2 months, which is kind of insane how expensive Starbucks is. So we're going to be unboxing this and testing it out for the first time. Cleaning kit, Christ. I don't know what any of this is. I don't know how to take this out. Help. Oh no. What direction is what? Oh, that makes sense. Okay, cool. The foam on top of your espresso. Oh, like a good foam. Okay, we're gonna go set this up. So we are now in the kitchen. Where is it? Oh, it's over here. There you go. It's set up on the counter. It's actually a pretty decent size. This is like a 8 by 11, 8.5 by 11 piece of paper, and it's like not that big, so not mad. We've given everything a rinse, and we have also filled the back tank with water, and we're gonna test it out now. So, wait, I still don't know what I'm doing though. Power on. Flush. Flush. You're welcome. There's a hair in my mouth. Technical difficulties. it turns out that we may have a potentially faulty machine. We are just trying to set up, I guess, its first priming of the water, and it's not working. So today's Sunday, unfortunately, customer support isn't open right now, so we'll have to call tomorrow to get it fixed. And I guess that's the end. Unfortunately, I don't get to try the new espresso and determine whether or not it was worth it, but I guess more to come. Bye!